today's match between Naveli and Asolda. We enjoyed the football. Both the teams played a competitive football, and at the end of the match, the Naveli Sporting was the winners. I would like again winners by 2-0. Congratulations to Naveli and hard luck to Asodla Sports Club.
Thank you.
पहिले I would like to thank the organizers for inviting us as a special invitee for this match. सोबत एक my advice to my message to all the people here, just support the organizers who have organized this tournament and give support to the organization Vaurado East, so they can pass on the message and do their good work in future.
कमाल बर है जाव कमाल कमाल की तो फुल लाइन रे पास किया ले कमाल टेस्टर लगा क्या
हालांकि हर हमारे बोला हम यो
आज के गेम में चलो के बाहर बोला बड़ा दाएं पर बोल गया मरे तो बोल गया रहता दीदा का पत्तो इलेक्ट्रो गल